Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So this episode we have this cool, amazing product right here in my hand, and basically what this is a portable cordless stick vacuum that you can use basically anywhere as you want to. But the one that we have right here is very unique. It's not like your normal cordless stick vacuums. This one in particular actually has a built-in UV light that is actually used to sanitize stuff. Whether you just want to sanitize like your desk, your laptop, your iPhone, the floor, your furniture, you guys can definitely do all of that on here, which is super awesome. But let's actually open up and show you guys what the product looks like inside first. Alright, so when you guys open up the product itself, you guys can see that this is basically what it looks like inside. Let's take everything out. So first thing you can see right here, this is the bottom part of the actual vacuum itself. You can see it's all nicely wrapped up. Alright, so this is basically what it looks like right here, if you can see. And for this part right here, if you can see it's flexible, you can move it up and down. So that way if you guys want to reach underneath like your bed, your table, or whatever, you definitely can. So this is what it looks like on this side. If I flip it on the other side, this is basically what it looks like on this side. So this is where the UV light is, and this is the vacuum part right here. They do provide us a warning label right here to don't look at the UV light directly. So for both the UV light and also for the vacuum part right here, you guys actually take it out. For the top UV light, you do have to unscrew it to take it out. But for the vacuum part right here, all you have to do is open up like this on both sides and pull it out, just like that. You have to take this part out and rinse it and wash it if you guys need to, and put it back in when you guys are done. Seal it back up both sides. And it's all set for that part. So this is what it looks like for this part itself on the back part. Let's see what else is in here first. Alright, so next up right here, they do provide guys another vacuum head right here. So one of them has the UV light and the other one does not. But regardless of which one is used, both of them actually has a vacuum option to clean your floor. Let me actually open this up first. Alright. So this is basically what it looks like for this one right here. So this one is only the vacuum part if I turn it around. So you can see for this one right here, it's only the vacuum itself. It doesn't have any UV light. So for this one, it's probably more ideal for you guys to use it for like vacuuming your floor or whatever. And if you guys need to sanitize like your furniture, your desk or whatever, you can remove the head from here and change the other one and use that one for like, your furniture and everything else. And on the other side right here, you can see that this part here is also flexible as well. So you can move it up and down, and you can move it left and right as well. Whereas the other one, you guys don't have the option to move left and right. This one, you guys actually have the option, which is definitely super nice. And see right here and right here, you guys can pull that down. So just like this, and this one right here, to pop it open. Then you can actually take this part out and wash it and rinse it or whatever. And once you're done, you can put it back in here and use it again. Alright, so that's this part right here. Let's see what else is inside the packaging itself first. So right here, they do provide guys an instruction manual to teach you guys how to use the product itself and how to set it all up. And then right here is one of those sticks or one of the poles that you just want to attach onto the vacuum itself. Let's take it out. Alright, so this is basically what it looks like. Everything here sounds very nice, very smooth. I believe this is like an aluminum material right here. So you just want to attach this onto either one of the vacuum cleaners itself. So just like this, in this case. Just like that. And you guys all set with that part. Alright, let's see what's in here. So I guess this is one of the heads that's actually used to attach it on to use it if you guys want to. And then here's another one. See what it looks like. So this is what it looks like for this one right here. And then right here is the last and final head that they provide for you guys, which is a brush option, which is super nice. And then right here, let's see what they provide for you guys. Alright, so it looks like they provide you guys an extra one of these. If there's anything wrong with the product itself, you guys can actually replace it. And then right here, let's see what's included right here. So it looks like they provide you guys another head right here. So they actually provide you guys a lot of different heads right here, which is super awesome, especially for like certain areas where you can't reach. So if you guys want to, you guys can even use it in the car to reach certain parts where you cannot use with the regular vacuum itself. Alright, and right here is actual vacuum itself. Just take it out. Alright, so this is basically what it looks like on this side, and this is what it looks like on this side. So the design of the actual product itself definitely looks pretty cool. It kind of looks like a gun design right here, if you can see, like a Nerf gun or something. Definitely really awesome. If you guys can see right here, this is basically the storage bin for your trash and everything that you're planning to vacuum in here. If you guys push this button right here, it opens up right here, so you can pour out the trash. When it's done, close it back up. And then for whatever reason, if you guys need to take this part out, you just have to push this button right here and take it out like that, and change the filter or wash the filter if you need to inside here as well. And the way how to take off the filter is go like this. So once you guys take off this part right here, if you guys don't take out this part, just pull it out, just like that. And this is basically what the inside looks right there. Alright, and then once you guys are done, you guys can put it back in here like this, and then put this part back in here like this, and it's all set. Then you insert this side right here, back in here. Alright, and it is all done. And if you take a look right here, it has a power light indicator right here, low, medium, and high. So those are different speed levels on here. And you can see right here, that is the power button, and this is the mode button. So I believe the mode button is to switch the different speed levels on here, but we'll definitely test that out in a second. And then for this part right here is where you guys want to put the battery. So I'm actually to open up the battery and show you guys what it actually looks like first. Alright, so right here is the battery and the little charger right here. Let's take it all out. Alright, so this is basically the cable you want to plug in to charge it up. And then right here we have the battery, so let's take it out. Alright, so this is basically what the battery looks like right here. So all you need to do is go like this and snap it in and start using the product itself. And you can see on the side right here, this is basically where to plug in the cable to recharge the battery itself. But if we press the button right now, it should turn on. Alright, so that's how you guys turn it off and on. If you guys want to change the different speed level, you guys want to press the mode button. Alright, so that's how you guys do it. So once you guys are ready to use it, you just want to plug this part in here like this. Snap it in. And it's all set. So this is basically what the overall product looks like once you guys fully assemble it. If you guys do need to replace the actual head right here, you guys can push onto this button right here and pull it out. Just like that. That way you can actually change the head to a different one if you guys want to use the UV light or this one right here. Or you can use any of the other heads that I provided for you guys as well, such as this one right here. Just insert it in. Just like that. If you guys need to remove it, just pull it out really easily. There's no button on here to take it out. So that is basically how you guys use the product itself right here. Let's turn it on and test out the decibel on here or dB on here and see how loud it is for each different speed level. Alright, so I got the tester right here. Let's turn it on. So that's low. That's medium. That's high. And like I mentioned earlier, the way how you guys know is by looking at here. So if I turn it on, that's low, medium, high. So you guys can definitely hear the product itself is super loud and very powerful. So if you guys do use it to clean stuff such as vacuuming like dust, dirt, or whatever, it definitely should work really, really well. But let's actually plug this in first to show you guys how to know when it's charging before we actually test it out. So I'm plug it in right here, and then plug this part right here to the battery, so right here. Alright, so you can see right there, I'm not sure you can see or not, but there is a blinking red light right here, so that's how you guys know when the product itself is charging. Once it's fully charged, that light should change to a green color or different color, or should turn off. So that's basically how you guys charge the product itself. One last thing that I do want to talk about the product itself before we actually test it out is the battery life. How long does it last? So all it takes is 3.5 hours to fully charge the product itself from 0 to 100. And once you guys fully charge it, it should give you guys a maximum of 40 minutes of usage. And that is if you guys use it at the lowest speed level. If you guys use it at the higher speed level, you guys mostly will not get that 40 minutes that I mentioned. You guys probably will get less than that. But that is basically everything that's on the product itself. Now let me just go through the test of the product itself and show you guys how it works and what it actually works first. And we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so right here we have the product itself. Let's turn it on and see when it actually works. So if you saw right here, there's the light right here that pops on, and that is the UV light right here. So in order for you guys to use the UV light for this product right here, you need to use it on like a flat surface. If it's not a flat surface, it won't work. Let me show you guys what I mean on a non-flat surface. Alright, so we turn on. You guys can see the vacuum option works, but the UV light doesn't work too well because right here is not a flat surface. So for this product itself, if you guys do want to use the UV light, you do need to use it on a flat surface. But let's try out the vacuum and see how it works. We're going to use a low power. Alright, so you can see how it works. If you guys see everything inside right here, it vacuums everything inside here. But if you guys notice this small little spot right here, it couldn't reach it. So we have to use the other heads that I provided for us. So I'm going to take out the other head and show you guys what it actually works. Alright, so I got the other head right here. Let's turn it on. Alright, so you can see that actually does work. It's super powerful. You can see it's completely clean now on the actual chair itself. There's nothing here, and nothing inside there as well. Alright, so you can see this is basically everything that's included in the packaging itself. So there's all different heads right here, here, and here. And these are two different parts for the actual product itself. So there's a non-UV and this is one of the UV light in here. But both of them work at the vacuum cleaner itself. So this is basically everything that's included in the packaging itself right here. Alright, so the way how you guys toss out the trash is just by pushing right here and toss everything out like that if you guys want to. And you see there's some stuff that's not coming out. So another way for us to remove this trash right here is by closing this first. And you guys want to press the button on the side right here, take it out. Then you guys want to take off this part right here, just like that. Alright, so there you guys go. So that's how you guys toss out the trash if you guys can't use the other side. Alright, welcome back guys. So next on the quick test of the product itself, you can definitely see that actually works really well. Everything about the product itself is pretty well thought out. The fact that they give you guys different heads to replace, whether you guys want to use the small ones, whether you guys want to use the ones for vacuuming, or do you guys want to use the one where it has the UV light option and the vacuum option. You guys can definitely choose it based on your own preference. Now that we could unboxing and test the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I definitely have to say that this is actually really worth it if you guys want or need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a portable vacuum where it has a built-in UV light option, then this is actually really worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.